Well, it's been a little while since I took my camera out. I'm in beautiful Adamstown, Pennsylvania today. It is so nice out. I just had to take a break. So I'm gonna go to 272 Antiques. I'm looking for stuff for my Buy It Now on Etsy. And I'm also looking for cats for my June 6th competition. Let's go in and see what they got. Cat. All right, let's see how much you got on this guy. 22 bucks. That's a no. And the funny looking dogs up there. Just had a few like that. I also have the paperweight sale that I'm doing on Knickknacks, Jocelyn's paperweight train. These are Chinese, but they're kind of a good buy. I like the ones that are different. This blue flower one, 10 bucks. I'll take that, why not? And this one is kind of interesting to me, 10 bucks again. And lucite, I just had a bunch like that. I could live without those. That one's similar to the one I just got. And the butterfly one at 10. Is there an extra discount? Not that I'm being cheap or anything. Here's some St. Clair, it looks like. Is that St. Clair? Maybe not. What's this strawberry? As is. Oh yeah, it's got a nasty ding on it. That's a nice one though. What is this penguin looking thing? Spode. Here's a cat for you. That's intense. Single deer shaker. That's adorable. It's a really good set. Oh, he's pretty beat up. Just kidding. Skunks caught my attention. This is a great set. Skunks usually sell pretty well. $15. There's actually a little bit of room in that, but I don't know. It's more than I'd like to pay up front. Probably sell these for like $24, which is really like $25 profit. I think I'm gonna pass. This is one of the booths I really enjoy coming to. This is amazing. R. Foster signed Jack in the Pulpit, $45. That's gorgeous. What is that crazy thing? Not familiar. $45 definitely seems like a little much for something I don't know about, unless I look it up and it's something. I also see these guys over here. 33 as is though. This is contemporary, but it's so cute. $6. I'll take that for $6. No, I have some contemporary ones already. I need to try and steer away from getting more contemporary, even though it's cute. Trying to keep the contemporary ones I have to a minimum. This purple dimpled vase is interesting. Looks like a purple moon almost. Hey, look at that. That's some glowy glass. As is, I already see 24. Yeah, see that's got some chips. Cat trinket box. Super busted there. Let's see. I usually find some really neat stuff in this booth. Look, Bakelite salt and pepper shakers. $20. 20 bucks on some Bakelite salt and pepper shakers in green too. I'll take those. There you go. Let's see, over here, you have to really pay attention in this booth. Love the Elvis button. What a cool lighter. That's older too. Can't sell what lighters on Whatnot. Oh, it's definitely got somewhere. I don't really want to mess with that, but somebody would be really excited to find that. It's definitely unique. I love the risque stuff. Ooh, Big Daisy, $6.50. We like that. I'll take that. So I am getting the one with the blue flower in the middle because it's different, but this one is really common, and I'm trying to keep my Chinese paperweights to a minimum. I'm also trying to do quality over quantity right now, which is hard to train myself to do because I'm used to picking up a lot of little smalls and selling a lot in mass, and kind of tired of it right now. I need a little break. Quality over quantity starts now. Bunch of birds down here. This red one kind of sticks out to me. It's got interesting eyes on it. Adult Japan. That's kind of neat. Candle holder, $9. I kind of like that. I think I'm gonna get that. It's unique. Now, whereas I said I'm looking for stuff for Etsy and cats for my show, my competition on Whatnot, this is something that's prime example of something I would put on Whatnot. So I'm not leaving Whatnot. I'm just taking a 2-week break. So my mind is on Etsy currently. Now in here, some really pretty Fenton. Don't really see anything I absolutely need though. Here's another vendor I really like. I love the hand vase, but especially this pink rose bowl, $30. That's gorgeous. Ooh, look at that green vessel, because I've forgotten the name of it right now. I actually had that red vase not that long ago. $24. Mine sold for like $60, I think. Let's see. Looks a little thin today. Of course, it's Monday. I never go out on Mondays. It's usually my ship all day day, but I ran out of packing labels halfway through, so I just decided to go out and enjoy the nice weather. Hey, look at you guys. This is a really good set. Now, what's wrong with them? Doesn't appear to be anything. It's got like a little spot of wear here, but for $8, I'll be taking those guys. That's awesome. And then I also see these Holt Howard dogs, $16.50. There's some room to be made in these. They're definitely a little bit more on the common side, but I think they'll do well as a buy it now on Etsy, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them. I'm just making sure there's no obvious cracks. And then these are weird. They're definitely newer, but I kind of love them, except with the chips, I can't do both. And then the rabbits down there are fun. What are these weird hugging cows? Those are kind of cool. And then the little pixie elf girl, $4 on that. I'll take her. And what about this little bud vase? That's interesting. Germany, $4. That's quite sweet. Like that, I'll take that. That's a good deal. I love the See No, Speak No, Hear No Evil Monkey Salt and Pepper Shaker set. Those are really fun. $12.50. That's another prime candidate for a buy it now on Etsy. I'm gonna go ahead and take those. I've never even seen that set before. Very nice. And here's Pinocchio. He's at 18. Not bad, but I can do better. I am obsessed with this bride's bowl with this waffle pattern. It's $99, so I've never seen that pattern before. Nice. I spent $86 in there. I got some great stuff. I'm gonna head down the road. I'll see you guys when I get there. And now I'm down the street at Pine Hills. Sandy and I were here a couple weeks ago and kind of cleaned house, so I'm excited to see what they restocked with. Do you remember I was obsessed with that Herb Thomas vase? Unfortunately, at $245, there's no room. Some really great kitsch. I love the cat musicians and the anthropomorphic cabbage heads, all pretty close again. This is an amazing set, made in Japan. Oh my gosh, and the wall plates, $40 each, though. Again, right where they need to be. Last time I was here, I got some really great Joseph Originals figurines. It looks like they've replaced a couple. A lot of the ones I like are kind of around what I sold my last ones for right after fees. So I think I got the best deals already in the case. Down here they got some really cute little miniature glass figurines, some spaghetti poodles. Not exactly what I'm looking for right now. Well, that's something you don't see every day. I was originally drawn to the cats on chain at $25, but then I saw these guys, the Holt Howard Bunny Rabbit Salt and Pepper Shakers. I can't even remember the last time I ever saw those. I think I'm gonna go ahead and look up what those comp for these days. They're really hard to come by. Love the metal enamel flower pins. I can't see the price on the micro mosaic, and I see some more black cats hiding back. No, those are bears. Those are those bear cat things. Yeah, I'm gonna look up. Oh my gosh, what is that? That's so fun, even though it's new, that black cat back there. Yeah, I'm gonna look these up. So it is true that they're missing their baskets. It looks like them missing their baskets kind of decreases their value a little. I think they'd be like 36 after the 10%. I might be able to get away with it still. I'm gonna keep looking. I think I might pick them up, honestly, but see what else is in this booth. I feel like this is a relatively newer edition booth. I don't remember it being like this before. What is this horse decanter? That's really neat. Goble, that's unexpected. And then over here in this case, I see some more cats of interest. I see that set. I don't see the price. It's turned around, of course. And I love these guys at 18. I do see a little nick on the ear, though. Here's some cats. 12 and 18. Oh, a little close. I'm keeping my eye out for that special cat in a case like this. I love the Fenton. Some really pretty pink ones. The iridescent. I have one already in my cat show. Ooh, Jadeite Alley Cat, but that's at 300. Gosh, I have such a sickness for that quilted optic, especially that pink one. I think that's really nice. It's at 95 though, just in case you're wondering why I'm not getting a key. Here's another alley cat. That's a green one, really fun. Again, a little spendy for me. Oh, and they got the beaver. He's amazing. I'm sure you noticed I'm not filming much. Unfortunately, they've kind of joined the team of Loud Music Antique Mall, so it's kind of hard to film. I like quiet. I can barely think when it's loud, let alone talk to you guys. Here's another one of my favorite booths. Love the Jack in the Pulpit, 65 and 10%. Whoa, that's signed. That's not a bad buy. A little closer than I'd like. I secretly picked up a really nice Jack in the Pulpit down the street off camera today. So I'm gonna pass, especially because it is so close. Oh, the poor bobblehead. Yeah, they have some really nice stuff in here though. Love this like little carnival glass vase. I love the small size. It's unexpected. Oh my gosh, stop it right now. Look at this giant sugar bear planter. That is fantastic. $25. Well, it's kind of a shipping nightmare. I feel like he was supposed to be holding something, but for $25 and $22.50 after the discount, I am gonna grab him. He's just so much fun. And then a little cameo Cupid doll. He's got a little wear, but it's only 10 bucks. That's a good buy. Oh my gosh, look at this weird poodle. Oh, I thought this thing was holding a knife. That's really strange. Let's see, how much are you? 12 bucks. Not bad. My plush have gone really downhill though. Well, it looks like they restocked. Sandy kind of cleaned this case out last time. Look at that Murano tree. I think it's Murano, at least. The Murano perfume. Is that Murano or is that the other thing? Well, I'm kind of distracted by this. That's really pretty. The flowers. This is amazing. It's the tiny version, which is insane, but 75 bucks. Don't worry, I see the little elf guy. He's only at 10. I'll get him. And then over here, that's kind of an interesting one. It's got some damage to it though. And don't really see anything else that seems really necessary. Bells don't really do that well, but I love the purple slag. That's at 21. That's an older one too. Man, that's tempting. I've made my way through here pretty quick. I am gonna go back to that first case and look at a couple of those cats. Ooh, that's a nice Fenton. 28 bucks, that's not bad at all. Wow, I love that blue glass vase. What is that? I'm also into a couple of these paperweights. I think I'm gonna get the keys to this case, just out of curiosity, if nothing else. Is there anything else in here that's like really noteworthy? Love that Fenton back there, that carnival glass finish. I like the mini paperweights, but let's check out the miniatures and the stuff down at the bottom. Well, I can't say that was much of a video. I ended up cleaning out half that case with the paperweights for Jocelyn's paperweight train. I did go back for one of the cat salt and pepper shaker sets and the Holt Howard. I spent $143 in there, and I have a box full of Murano paperweights. So, and Hold Howard. So, good day. I'll see you guys later. All right, well, I'm at home, and I'm working on my listings and getting ready to go out of town. But I decided I should just show you at least what I picked out of the case. These are amazing, these little miniature paperweights. I did end up getting 20% off all of them. So there's this one, which was $6. And look at this. I love the miniature size. I have a feeling the miniature are actually more valuable. Fast forward to this. Look at that. That's amazing. That big flower. $20 and 20% off. That's insane. Also, this Murano egg. That is so cool. I love that it can lay on either side. And you know, I love the Rainbow Millefiore. Really nice. This is definitely the most interesting one I found. It is signed. It's really, really unique. $25, so it came to $20. And it's got a full signature on it. I haven't made it out yet. It will take some time, but it's definitely dated 1988. It looks like the 80s. So there you go. Those are the paperweights I got, and those are going to be all available on my slot at 7 p.m. Eastern on the Knickknacks Hold My Paper train.